back at it. I've kind of created stereo. Now, the video I done earlier, there's something wrong with that, but it works perfectly fine with 1 amp. So I used a very similar thing, and instead of having the 2 amps going into the back of there, I've just got the stereo left and right going into 2 separate amps. So the right hand side is going into the Crush, which is coming out of the cab. The left hand side is now going into the Katana, and it's working. Yeah, they're both working. I think that's stereo sound. There's a little celebratory thing there. Anyway, thanks for watching.